morning everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm here with Chelsea.
Hello.
It's a bit windy, so sorry if the audio's a bit like... Today we are going on the London Eye. Very excited about it. So I'm actually doing an Instagram job with C2C today. Chelsea's coming along for the ride.
I am.
We're gonna have a great day. We're gonna get something to eat, yeah?
Oh yeah, of course.
At some point, defo gonna need some food. We're gonna go and do that today, take lots of Instagram pics and just have a nice day. I am wearing this little jumper from Miss Selfridge. Very warm because it's a cold day today. I've got my jacket on. This is from New Look. It was about £29 I think, absolute bargain. My jeans are from Topshop and my shoes are my classic Nike Air Maxes. Oh, get that closer. We love an angle queen. So we've just arrived at Embankment. We're going to go and walk to the London Eye now. Have a little nice walk along the river. It's quite cold today. Oh, look at my hair. Oh, what's going on here? How are you feeling, Chelsea? Excited?
I am very excited.
I'm actually buzzing. I can't wait for you to see it.
I want to see what it's like because I literally just have no idea.
You have to get on while it's moving.
Oh really?
Yeah, obviously it isn't like, it's not fast. You're not like, whoa.
I was gonna say.
Yeah, it goes really slow, but it doesn't stop. It never stops. So you've got to jump off as well and hope for the best.
Imagine if I just get stuck with it. I probably will as well.
I'm joking, no jumping is involved. Can you see it? There's our day out, that's what we're here for. Oh, it's actually such a nice day. We're here. We're in the fast track queue. Can you see it? It's just started spitting. Chelsea's got a hood up. I haven't got a hood on today and I didn't bring an umbrella, so I'm not the most intelligent person in this city, but whatever, we're here for a good time. Here we go. Are you nervous, Chelsea?
I am a little bit, but I'm
Are you?
I think I'm more excited.
Don't worry, it's not a windy day. We're gonna be fine. We're about halfway up now. London literally looks so pretty when you're up high in the sky. If you've never been on the London Eye, I would highly recommend it. It's not really too expensive either. I think it's like £25 per person or whatever, but it lasts for maybe, I'm gonna guess, about 40 minutes. When I look at that, I just think, like, imagine how many people are out there in all of those buildings. We're officially at the top. We made it. We're on our way down now. We are now starting the descent. Chelsea's getting spiritual at the top of the London Eye. She's like, wow, it's mad. We don't really know anyone, do we? The amount of people you know is so small.
Whole life.
So many people to meet, so many places to go.
Not enough time.
But I'm glad I found you, Chelsea. Look at the sunlight glowing on the River Thames. Oh, I actually love London. There's a little red bus down here as well. I feel like such a tourist today. There's hailstoning and it really oh my god, that actually hurt.
Ow, my feet.
I've never been in hailstones that hurt before. We're on the bridge, by the way. What is going on? Good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday. I'm off to Stratford. I've decided I'm officially starting the Christmas shopping today. I'm gonna try and bash it all out in one. Not sure how far I'll get with it, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna try my best. And then later on today, Chelsea and I are heading out for a burger. We're going to Byron in Shoreditch because I'm actually working with them on an Instagram post. So today is full of fun, it's full of Chelsea, it's full of Christmas shopping, and it's full of burgers. As per usual, this is today's little outfit. My top is from Primark, it's just plain black. My jeans are my Topshop ones. Most of my outfit is always the same. My trainers and my Nike Air Maxes. And my jacket is from Missguided. It's the first time I've worn it and I actually really like it. It's nice and warm as well. I've woken up with a little bit of a cough this morning, which is annoying. I don't know if you can hear it in my throat. I haven't been like 100% recently. It's Alice's fault. She had a cold when we went to Surrey. But I do feel a lot better than I have over the past couple of days. So I mean, I'm on the up. I can live with it. I'm strong, I'm humble, and I'm gonna power on. Also, this mug just sets the tone for today really, doesn't it? Here she is again, the star of this vlog.
It's me again.
But we're now in Westfield in Stratford. We are ready to start our Christmas shopping. Well and truly going to embrace it today. Are you ready, Chelsea?
I am very excited.
Let's smash this out, get it all done today. You heard it here first.
Hopefully.
We're currently in Missguided. Christmas shopping has begun. I've picked this up. I like this a lot. I've got a top very similar to this. I've got like a black version. Chelsea's picked it up too. We're going to be matching. Cute. So I'm just in the dressing rooms trying this top on. Oh, I don't know. I mean, I like it, but I don't love it. But I'll leave a link in the description down below in case you do love it. So we've just come in the Morphe store. Chelsea is very excited about this, aren't you, Chelsea? Yeah. Been waiting for this moment. I do love a bit of Morphe. I mean, I'm not that into makeup, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but this does excite me quite a lot. Look at this palette, this looks so nice. Look how nice this is. Literally, the News Month, it's only £45 for all these little lipsticks. Oh my god, that's literally insane. I might have to invest one day. Today is not that day, but maybe soon. We're having a quick recharge, 6 chicken nuggets and a medium Diet Coke. Woo! Found the top for me, guys. Me again, obviously it's my video. Chelsea and I are now in Byron. We've got our menus here. We are ready to order. Very excited about this, I'm not gonna lie. What are you fancying? Cheesy burg? Yeah, probably. Love a cheesy burg. Can't go wrong with cheesy burg. You can't go wrong. It's been quite a while. We've taken lots of Instagram pictures. I'm now halfway through me burg. These chips are so nice as well. I'd show you our food, but like it's half demolished. We'll have a public mukbang. Oh my god, it's 10 o'clock. So I've just got home. I did get a couple of bits for myself, so I'll show you what I got. First of all, I got myself a Pandora charm. But basically, whenever I go on holiday, I always buy a charm, usually at the place. So I picked up today this little turtle one to remember Cape Verde because we saw the turtles there. I thought that was so, so cute. So that was the first thing that I got. Then I got a new concealer. I'm usually shade 1 fair, but at the minute I've got a bit of a tan, so I got another of the shade 3 warm medium. And I also got a new eyeliner. I love this one. This is from Soap and Glory. It's the Supercat Skinny Liner. Then I did indeed pick up this top that I tried on in Misguided, the one that Chelsea also bought. This was £15. I really, really like it. And the final thing that I picked up for myself, so it's this plain white jumper. It's got like back wing sleeves, it's a bit high neck, it's got a bit of a, you know, a hem around it, and this was from Monkey and it was £20. I like it because it feels really nice quality. Even though it's only £20, it feels like you'd probably pay like 35 for it, so yeah, I like that a lot. That's everything that I bought for myself today. But anyway, I'm now gonna head in the bath and head to bed because I'm so tired and I've got a lot to do tomorrow. Thanks for coming along on the ride, it's been a journey. Hey guys, so today is Thursday and I'm actually just about to leave my house again. I'm going back up to London today. It's been a busy week in London this week. I'm actually going for an event with the Body Shop tonight. We're going out to make Christmas wreaths today. Then we're having like a little sleepover and something's going on tomorrow. I'm not too sure, to be honest. But I'm running late as per usual. I'm always running late. So we need to go. I'm going to see Molly. I'm very, very excited about it. But yeah, I need to leave my house literally right now. It's a bit later on now. I'm here with my little angel. It's been a while. She's back. For ages. I know, I missed you. I missed you too. And I'm also here with Hermione, my new mate. Woo! But we're at a Christmas wreath making class. We've just got to the hotel. We're at the Curtin Hotel in Shoreditch. And we're here with the Body Shop. I don't know if I've even said that. This is the current situation. We've got all these plants. Are you excited, Molly?
I am excited.
Me
I don't
too.
think I'm gonna be very good at it though.
No, me neither. Crafty things are not my forte, but I'm going to try my best. This lady's wreath looks so nice and I just know mine's not going to look anything like that, but we're going to give it our best shot, ladies. Well, yeah. Honeys, let's make a wreath.
I didn't realise.
Buzzing, Christmassy. I'm back with me foliage. Look at all this. Nice one. Now I'm going to try and attach it to me wreath, but I feel like I need to get a move on because everyone else has got things on their wreath already. I've just finished my wreath. This is what it's looking like. It's not very even. It's a lot heavier on this side, but do you know what? We love her anyway. She doesn't have to be perfect. Some berries in the middle. Got some foliage happening up here. I like it. Molly's looks so cute. It's so autumny.
This one random rogue leaf. Shall I just pull it off?
She's got some little apples in the middle. Oh, that's adorable, Molly. You should be proud of yourself. Whack that one on your CV.
I will do.
We've got hot chocolates from the hot chocolate station. How autumny is this shop right now? Let me just remove the scissors. But look, I've got hot chocolate with marshmallows. My autumny wreath. Oh, it doesn't look bad from this angle, you know. Oh my god, this lighting is so good. You probably are a bit confused about the last clip. So basically we had a Christmas wreath making class. It was so lovely. So thank you to the Body Shop and everyone that put that on. I really enjoyed it. And I've just come up to my room. We've each got our own rooms as well, so I thought I would do a quick little room tour. So we're at the Curtin Hotel in Shoreditch. So when you come in, this is what you see. This is me gaff for the night. Look at this little bar section. How cute is this? Definitely need to get an Instagram picture of that. And then over this side is the bathroom. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. That looks like such a nice shower. There's another mirror. We've got some Body Shop goodies here. Oh, a shampoo and conditioner, that's handy. I didn't bring any. So yeah, that's the shower. Oh, there's some more goodies in the shower. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's the toilet. And then coming out of the bathroom, you've got this nice little wardrobe. And this is the bed. Oh my god, it looks so cozy and cute. There's a little telly on the wall. I am loving this brick. Yes, I'm living for this hotel room. This is so nice. And we've got some more little goodies on the bed and some pajamas. Oh my god. Look at that. These are so soft. I just want to say a massive thank you to the Body Shop and M&C Saatchi for putting me up in this hotel room and doing the Christmas wreaths. But for right now, I'm going to head to Molly's room with my suitcase and I'm going to go and get ready with her. We're going to get ready together for dinner and then we're going to go and meet everyone else. So excited. I love things like this. I'm so happy. Oh my god, the speakers work. They're like Bluetooth Marshall speakers. Get that Shawn Mendes on. Hey. This is so cute. I love it. These guys are making cocktails. Not sure what's in them, but I mean they look nice. Yeah. Molly's got a cocktail. Do you know what's in that?
Raspberry something and vodka.
It looks nice anyway. I like the colour of it. It's very me. So our starters have just arrived. We've gone for a chicken waffle. We've all got chicken waffles. I'm here with Molly and Megan from the Body Shop. We are about to have the starters and tuck in. I'm so excited for this. Our main course is here now. Gone for a burger and chips. These chips are amazing. Guys, I'm walking through the hotel. I'm in the lift right now. I'm by myself. I'm in my pyjamas. One of my buttons has popped off. I'm scared I'm gonna flash a member of the public. I feel like I just look like, oh my god, I'm crying. Oh god, Molly's just falling out all over the place. I just said to Molly, I've lost a button. If this top button comes off, I'm gonna be all on show. As I said that, the top button came off, so now I'm just exposed. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Molly's lending me a crop top because in times of need, I mean, I'm at a professional event. Guys, I've had a nightmare. 3 of the buttons pinged off just because I'm clumsy. So now everyone's got their cute pyjamas on, but I've got these on. It's always me, there's always something. So we've just come down to watch the film and there's little snacks. How cute. Look at these little ghost meringues. We've got some popcorn, some sweets, the hot chocolate station over here. I am loving the look of this again. I'm definitely going to go back for a second. Everyone's got their cute pyjamas on.
Apart from you.
Obviously I've had my mare with my pyjamas, but what can you do? I spilt the popcorn once and then Molly just spilt it again. The film's been on for literally 5 minutes. Oh my god, I just spotted a free water. Oh, I so need this right now. I'm so thirsty. It's now about 12:30. Let me hold you. I shouldn't be so lazy, should I? So it's about 12:30 now and we've just finished watching Love Actually. These were the blankets that we had to sit and watch the film and I've turned it into a scarf. Got a free scarf today. But I'm now going to bed. Night guys, it is day 2. I'm here with Molly again.
Hello.
We've just arrived at the Body Shop Enchanted Forest. We've had breakfast this morning. It was in a really cute room. We had some fruit, some coffee.
Sorry, I look really out of it. Hi.
Although this morning, I was so worried I was going to get coffee down my white jumper. But we survived. This looks so like secret. I'm so excited to step inside. Oh my god, this is so cute. How did they get these trees inside though? Like, I'm genuinely so confused. It's so Instagrammable though. Even, oh Molly, that shot! That looks so cute. We've just come into the Christmas market room and the Body Shop's products are in here, all their Christmas products. I feel so Christmassy right now, like these Christmas trees are giving me life. Me and Molly have just done the gift machine, got these cute little pictures. They're actually well cute, Molly.
They look very Christmassy.
I know, I'm quite impressed with us. We usually fail at things like this. We've done quite well. There you go, there's yours. Lovely. I've just done a cute little boomerang on the swing seat. We're now gonna do some sort of VR thing. This lighting is not cute and I've had a mocha so my lipstick's everywhere. But I'm now in the Uber with Molly. We're going back to Liverpool Street. I've got my Christmas wreath with me here. So yeah, that's the end. Here's Molly for the very last time. Well, for now. Not the very last time, but the last time for this vlog. So it's nice to see you again though.
Yeah, it's so nice to see you.
I'll come and see you in December.
Yeah, please do. Come
That's a promise. That is a promise. I will come and see Lottie. She's so cute. Right, but anyway, I'm gonna get on the train now. So guys, today is, what day is it? Saturday? I don't know. I'm having one of those days today where I've got so many things to do and so little time. But I thought I would just quickly show you the gifts that the Body Shop very kindly gave me over the past couple of days, because there are some really lovely bits there and it would be a shame to not share them with you. So let's do that quickly. So the Body Shop have brought out 3 new fragrances for Christmas this year. The first is Berry Bonbon, the second is Peppermint Candy Cane, and the third is Vanilla Marshmallow. So at dinner I got this really cute mango hand cream. How cute is it in the little Christmas cracker? And then on the bed there was this Vanilla Marshmallow body butter. Love the smell of this. We also have a little eye mask, and there was also some embroidered pyjamas. Obviously you saw them earlier on. This is the bag that was in the shower, and inside here we have some Peppermint Candy Cane goodies. So we've got a body butter, a body scrub, a shower gel and a hand cream. And then in this bag, which was on the bed, we have some vegan marshmallows, some peppermint candy canes. Oh my gosh, I actually love candy canes. And we have their new little Olivia the owl. Let's have a look what's inside Olivia. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing, even just opening the tin. So we have a strawberry and coconut hand cream, a strawberry and coconut shower gel, and a strawberry and coconut bath bubble. So that was what was inside my Olivia. I also think this quote is the cutest thing ever. I literally love it. I think it's adorable. I just want to say another massive thank you to the teams over at the Body Shop and M&C Saatchi for putting on these last couple of days. I really enjoyed it. It was lovely to see everyone and all the products look amazing. But anyway, this evening I'm actually seeing one of my best friends, Freddie. We're filming a drive with me together. I might try and vlog with him a little bit, but I mean, we're going to be filming that whole video, so I don't know if there's much point. And then we're going to go out for dinner, and then tomorrow I'm off to Brighton for a few days to go and see some friends. But I'm not going to bring my vlogging camera with me. I'm just going to have a couple of days off vlogging just to chill out and relax. So that is pretty much it for this vlog. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this weekly vlog. It's been a very busy week, but a very social one, and I've loved it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I have a whole playlist of my other vlogs if you want some more vloggedy vlogs. Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!